Hello guys, welcome to electronics. In last video we have done blinking of LED program. In this video we are going to the next step of blinking of LED, that is RGB LED. So before jumping to the actual program, let's understand the basic fundamental of RGB LED. As its name suggests, R for red, G for green, B for blue. It means it is a combination of tricolor or three primary color, which is red, green and blue. These three colors are packed in a single LED with four terminals. One terminal is for red color, one terminal is for green color, one terminal is for blue color, and the fourth one could be anode or could be cathode. If it is cathode, then it will be considered as common cathode, and if it is anode, it will be considered as common anode type. So in common anode type, we connect the four terminal to any GPIO pin of Arduino, or in common cathode type, we connect it with ground terminal of any microcontroller. So we have understood the basic fundamental of RGB LED. Now it's time to jump our programming part and see this beautiful code. So the very first thing you have to do is you have to open Tinkercad software. Go to circuit option and click on create new circuit. Search for Arduino, drag and drop it, rotate it with button R, search for RGB LED, again drag and drop it. So it has one is red terminal, second one is cathode, and third one is blue, and last one is green. So this is common cathode type, and there is one another variant which is common anode type. So in common anode type, you have to connect that terminal to 5 volt, and this is common cathode type. So I am connecting this with ground. So this is the basic difference between common cathode and common anode. I am changing this color with black because we represent cathode with black color, and this one is red. I am connecting red color with pin number 13 and make it red because this one is red pin, this one is blue pin. I am connecting it with pin number 12, make it blue, and this one is green. Green is connected with pin number 11 and change the color to green. So this is our circuit diagram. This is RGB LED and this is Arduino. One more thing I want to say, you should connect one resistance to the ground terminal because using resistance is safe for circuit. So use at least 1 kilo ohm, or you can also use 340 ohm resistance instead of 1 kilo ohm. Instead of 1 kilo ohm, you can also use 340 ohm. So this is 340 ohm resistance, this one is RGB LED and this one is Arduino. So this is basic circuit diagram. Now come to coding part. I will show you step by step the complete code. Open Arduino IDE. Click on file and click on new. So this is void setup part and this is void loop part. So I have connected 3 LED red. So I am defining one variable red and that is connected with pin number 13. Blue, and blue is connected to pin number 12. Similarly green, it is connected with pin number 11. So this is 3 variable red, blue, green, and I have assigned 13 in red variable, 12 in blue variable and 11 in green variable. So we are making this pin as an output because LED is output device. So we use pin mode function and we are defining red as an output. This is the proper syntax. First, this is a function pin mode, this is a variable, and with comma I am declaring this is as output. If it is an input, instead of output I will write input. I will copy this one and paste it here. Second one is for blue and the last one is for green. So we want to make red color high for 1 second and it will be off for 1 second. As like blinking program, we want to do same, but there is one catch. We want to do with 3 color. So first we will make red pin high for 1 second, and then we will make red pin low for 1 second. Then we will do same for blue and green. So digital write red high. This is same as blinking, but there is only difference is this is RGB LED. Click on delay. We want to make it high for 1 second and we want to make red low to 1 second. And there is one thing to note, that if we want to make red high, then other pin should low. This is an important part. I will explain you why it is important. So with this block of code, our red pin will be glow, and we want to make green pin high, so we have to low it red pin and make green pin high for 1 second and then low for 1 second. And in next turn we want to make blue pin high. Let's understand the summary of this code. At first we are making red pin high and rest of the pin is low. So this block of code will make red pin high and this delay will make it high for 1 second. Then again we are making low for 1 second. So this will turn on red pin and this will turn on green pin high for 1 second and this will turn on blue pin high for 1 second. So this is complete code. Let's compile it, and it's showing done compiling. Just copy this code and paste it in Thinker ID. Go to code option, click on text, click on continue, erase the program, paste it here and click on start simulation. This one is red, this one is green and this one is blue. So our program has successfully run, but we want to do some changes because this is very long program and we don't like long program. We want to make a simple program. So one thing we can do is we can declare one function. Function is a block of code and we will call that block of code because we don't want to write it again and again. So let's understand. If I declare one function which is void type and I am declaring this with red or capital red, and inside that function I have cut this program and paste it here. So we have declared one function red which is void type, and this is the block of code that will be run when we call red function. We will do same with other color. This is blue function, and inside blue function we'll put the blue code. Cut this code here and paste it here, and this one is green code. Again we cut it here, make it one function void type. We have given the name green, and we are pasting the green color code. So we want to make red high, so here is a code for red, and this will make red color for high for 1 second, and it will get off for 1 second. Then when we call blue color will be on for 1 second and it get off for 1 second. And when we call green color, it will be on for 1 second and it will get off for 1 second. So just call the function red, green and blue. I will show you one error. Now it's not showing error, but in some compiler it shows error because we are declaring function at the bottom part. So you have to initialize the function at the header section. So the general practice is to initialize the function, because code will start from the beginning, and when it come here it get confused. It will do not understand what is red. So you have to initialize the function here, then it will jump up to here and it will understand what is red, what is blue and what is green. Then it come back to here and it will understand the code. So I am just copy this code and paste it again on our IDE. Before pasting you have to stop it and paste it here. Click on start simulation. So this is glowing with same. Red color is on for 1 second, blue color is on for 1 second and green color is on for 1 second. So this is our entire code. So what will be the benefit of making function? Let's suppose again I want to call blue color. Then we don't have to write the entire code again. Only I am declaring blue, then it will make blue color high for 1 second, and this will call the entire code. So this will make our work easier. I hope you understand what is RGB LED and the program of RGB LED, and you also understand the basic of function. In next video we will come up with different projects. Thank you.